Welcome to our channel Bonani's Garden. Today we are going to talk about perfect sprayer under 800 rupees. We will show a quick unboxing and setup with detailed review. So must watch till the end.
We have ordered the product from Amazon. The cost is 799 rupees. As you can see, the packaging is very good. You can see the company name and the model number. This is the KissanCraft 5 liter sprayer. Let us take the sprayer out. This is the main unit. The sprayer extension and some extra gaskets are provided. Save the gaskets. You will need them when the pre-installed gaskets get corroded. The extension is almost 1.5 feet long and made of strong plastic. The sprayer bottle is made up of thick, good quality hard plastic. It looks very solid and sturdy. The bottle can hold 5 liters of liquid. The scale is provided outside. First, we will show you all the components. The extension pipe is long enough. The spray switch is connected at the end of the pipe. The EOL extension can easily be connected with the pipe. This is the main pipe. The ending is extended to the bottom of the bottle. Thus, the whole liquid can be sprayed till the end. The liquid can be poured after opening the cap of the bottle. Close the lid firmly. Use the lever to apply pressure in the bottle. You also can take the lever out, but you don't need to do that. To start spraying, press the switch lever. You can adjust the nature of the spray by rolling the nozzle tip. Now, let's talk about the switch lever. You can press or release the lever to start and stop the spray. But if you want, you can lock the lever. Just press the lever and push it upward. The lever will lock and the spray will be continued automatically. You should do this when you want to spray for a long time. To release the locked lever, push it down from the top. Use this valve to release the pressure before opening the bottle. The system comes with a strong strap whose length can be adjusted. You can easily carry the bottle with the help of the strap. Our overall experience with this sprayer is satisfactory. It has a sturdy plastic bottle and long enough extension cable to reach the core part of a bushy plant. The pressure lever needs a little effort and can easily be operated.
That's all for today. If you find the video helpful, then like and share it. Leave your feedback in the comment section below. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching the video until the end. See you in the next video.